Life is a winding road.
Hello, good morning. This is me Anand back again with a new video, and today I'm at Boston. So just park the car at normal Leventhal Park. This park is a great place to hang out and have small picnic in summer. There are some great spots where you can click photos.
Let's figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head.
I'll be doing a quick walking through around this place, and then we'll be heading towards Old South Meeting House, which is a National Historic landmark of Boston.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
Tour around this
Even if the skies fall.
very well maintained park, big tall buildings, and a nice clean road. This place is nice. So now heading towards the Old South Meeting House.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
So currently I'm at Boston Financial District, and a lot of things here to see. A lot of big buildings, sidewalks. So I'm just trying to get to the big in Washington Staples Summit. So it's a nice place. Old South Meeting House is a national historic landmark and original site of the Boston Tea Party. It is one of the most important stop on the Freedom Trail in Boston. Very nice and extraordinary. It might take you around $6 to go inside the museum or go inside the building and see the internal structure. The exterior looks very fine and very nice. Now let's go towards the Quincy Market. So currently at Quincy Market, and there's a lot of fun, excitement happening over here. It's good to see everything. But South Market. South Market or North Market? North
is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
It has been a very awesome moment up to this point. We have seen a lot of places, a lot of historical things. Currently now at Old North Church, and now we are planning to go to the Boston Common and Chinatown. Let's see how it goes.
I wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
I'm kind of tired and heading towards the Boston Common, and the plan is to go to the Chinatown after Boston Common, and let's see how far we can go from there.
So guys, we are at Boston Common starting, and we're gonna spend some time here.
We are walking towards the China Market, and I have heard a lot of things about China Market, good things, bad things, mostly the good things about the China Market, and I'm very much excited to explore the China Market. Let's see how it is, how it looks like. Let's explore the China market for a little bit. After visiting the China market, we are at the South Station, and our plan is to visit the South Station and then head towards the parking area where we parked our car. So it was a full day, very kind of tired, but really good. I mean, I really felt very good to explore the areas around the Boston. I was not able to cover the full Boston. It's, I think, not possible being out there. So I have to plan for. I might have to plan for the next time to cover the south part of the Boston, Cambridge area, and all those. But thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and